Today we're talking about different ways to style your summer ring stack, and I am literally sitting by the beach at the moment, so feeling very summery. And I have here a few rings that I brought to my vacation. These ring stacks could be great for vacation or just summer days to brighten up your looks. Usually for summer ring stacks, I like to actually focus on overstacking of statement rings. So to start off, I have this multi-layered pearl ring. This is from Etsy. I've had this for years and it's just perfect for any sort of vacation. I mean, especially beach vacation. I feel like it fits the theme really well. To stack your statement rings, I like to go for something with the same color or the same metal. So one option is to stack it with this ring here from Masoma. It's got tiny little pearls on the side, but black kind of enamel design, as well as a little star in the middle. As you can see, both are really statementy, but they work really well. And I would honestly just leave this hand like this, just to have the statement rings do the talk. My left hand, I don't usually travel with my actual engagement and wedding ring, especially when I am by the beach or going to the pool a lot. So I have this Swarovski ring that works perfect as a travel ring. I like it's the sunflower shape, and it's got the yellow bits in the middle, so really shiny but also really vacation-y. I also just love something sparkle, especially for the summertime, and this is a moissanite ring that's got little hearts. This is from Read Your Heart, and many other brands also do kind of similar style ring. I sometimes also stack these two rings to really create a engagement and wedding ring stack. To add another pop of something special, I have this ring here from Eclator, I believe. It's got multicolored stone. I really love wearing this ring on my index finger, and honestly I feel like this is a great first stack. Even though they're pretty much all statement pieces, they I think work very well together. For the next look, I'm gonna keep my travel ring on, but I want to add a pop of color. This is a ring from Linear. They've got this style in different colored stone, and this blue is my favorite color to wear again on vacation. It just goes really well with the beachy vibes, and it's a great pop of color. It goes really well against white, especially if you wear a lot of cute white dresses. I have this Swarovski birthstone ring. It's in like an emerald little stone, and it stacks really well with this blue. The blue and green just instantly kind of cools your look, and it's perfect for the summer look. Sometimes I just wear it like this, but because we're stacking today, I have another little ring featuring an evil eye with green detail. As you can see here, I like the tiny sparkle, and I also like that it's a pinky ring. A lot of people forget about pinky rings, but I think pinky ring is the easiest way to create a stack because it's kind of out of the way, but you can also still go bold with your pinky. Another layering ring I have is this one from Lola Rose. It's got actually quite a lot of pops of color, so sometimes I wear on my index finger, or I can wear on my thumb to kind of create, again, just a pop of interest. Now, I don't really like how there are kind of two gaps. It's like ring, no ring, ring, no ring, ring. So I'm gonna add little cubic zirconia layering ring to add just a pop of sparkle. I actually quite like this look with some statement pieces, but lots of pops of, really the similar colors. On my left hand, I will probably just keep this multicolored ring just to go with the multicolored theme. So this would be my second look. Another way to create fun little summer stacks is to actually pair a bunch of layering rings together. So this is kind of a dupe for the Majori Pave ring, but I got this from Etsy. I love the quality. And I have this simple little rope chain looking ring. This I think might be from Linear. I also have this actual chain ring that's very malleable. These are all really simple layering rings on their own, but stacked together, we are starting to get a layering look. I'm just gonna put on my cute little sparkly layering ring as well. To be honest, this is a pretty great statementy look already. And so to pair with it, I think I might wear this pinky ring. It fits on my ring finger anyway, so I'm gonna keep it like this. In my left hand, I have this mixed metal ring that I really love with like tiny pearl. This is a good example of dainty but also very interesting and slightly statementy ring. I love that the yellow and the silver kind of goes really well with the yellow little stone here and the silver sparkles of the travel ring. Maybe I'll also just layer my birthstone ring here. If you don't have any super statementy rings, you can still create these very fun and kind of statementy looks by simply layering all of your dainty rings. The next look, I want to feature one of my favorite rings, also from Etsy. I also got this years ago now, but it is like a chunky signet ring featuring this mother of pearl. Again, just the pearl and white and really light and vibrant colors as well go really well with any sort of summer background. So we've got this ring to start. I actually think this white goes really well with the blue of this linear ring. Even like this, it's so simple but also very elegant. But I'm going to stack them up, bringing back my multi-stone silver ring. This one actually has adjustable width, so you can fit this on multiple fingers. I really like the super chunky look of this ring. And then I want to keep the rest of it really simple, so I might just go for my trusty little pinky ring here. So kind of gradually goes from super statementy to a bit more dainty. I really like this Lola Rose ring as my thumb ring. And then for the index finger, I'll just put in this little pave ring here. So the left hand is kind of dainty, but the right hand is a bit more statementy. For last look, let's go for something crazy. I actually haven't tried that before, but I want to entertain the idea of stacking two chunky rings. So literally, it takes up half of my finger. I like this stack better because I think both have pearl elements. It really stands out in the look. And to be fair, I might just leave it like that for my right hand because I feel like this is statementy enough. Like a maximum, I might add this ring here as a thumb ring, but that would be about it. On the left hand, I'll probably keep everything fairly simple. I'm gonna wear this chain ring on the index and layer this little cubic zirconia dainty ring over here. Maybe I'll layer the pave ring again, just because I quite like the dainty layered look. Another option for your summer stack is to really focus on one finger and stack it with two super chunky rings to create kind of an unexpected look. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite ring stack from today and any other jewelry videos you would like to see from me.